Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com, and this is the free chart of the day for Saturday, May 30th. Want to look at, first, the Next Step workshop, which I'm teaching in July, on July 18th in Las Vegas. That's open for registration. We've got quite a few registrants already, and I'm just giving you the heads up. The early bird pricing expires on Saturday. That's May 30th. That would be, depending on when you're listening to this, at midnight Eastern time. And I'm just telling you this because I'm probably going to want, and I mentioned this members in the first video, premium video, I'm probably going to wind up asking Gary to shut down registration early because it's always been an intention of mine to have a smaller workshop that's a little more hands-on, breakout sessions and things like that, which you can read in the in the course description. But I'm just letting you know, if you're interested in coming, don't hesitate to sign up, because you may miss your chance, because I just don't feel like doing a typical big workshop seminar like I've done before. It's just not where my mind is at this summer, but I do like teaching. I like it a lot. I love it. And so I'm just doing a little bit different here. So if you're interested in that, hey, jump on it. Otherwise, don't. Okay? Look, let's get to this. Vasco Data Security. This is a company, guess what? It's in the data security business, like, Palo Alto, et cetera, but I'm featuring this in this video because I want you to look at, when I see this type of thing, so many charts come to mind. The 200-day moving average drifting up, 50-day moving average had been, you look at the trajectory here, for example, 50-day moving average has been accelerating away from it, which is what happens when stocks break out and start drifting higher. It's a math thing. Okay, so we got a big breakout here. And then since this stock peaked, a little double top, and then, a triple top here at 30 bucks. Okay, since this stock broke down, it's just been trading sideways. Okay, sideways consolidation. I think this is a high base, and I don't mean smoking dope. I mean that this is ultimately going to be seen as a consolidation that gave you a buying opportunity before the stock starts the next move higher. But what I was saying, as far as it kind of reminding me of other patterns, this is what I call, it's my own description. So I used to be a pilot, private pilot, a touch and go, where the stock had been drifting up and then gradually moves lower, tags a key moving average, and it's really moving averages, not like trend lines or anything, and then starts to move higher again. That's what I'm seeing here. Look at this. Look at Gilead. It was doing the same thing, obviously totally different company, but you see what I'm talking about? It was a textbook Fitzpatrick touch and go. A move away from the 200-day moving average, a drift back to it, and then ultimately, and this thing took forever to develop, but finally, finally we're getting this move here. So I'm looking at Vasco Data Security, and I'm really getting the sense that we could see the same type of thing. So I would watch for a high volume break above 28. Now you're ultimately going to get a test of 30. But this is really what's been happening. Huge, massive breakout, and then we're getting this sideways consolidation. But when I look at this and I see really strong earnings growth, yes, I'm talking fundamentals here, but fundamentals are technical because we like to see trends. There's a trend of strong earnings growth and acceleration of revenues or sales. So when I look at this, this is a stock that I want to own. I hope you do too. Okay, listen, that's it for this video, members. Going over in our, quote, sector spotlight, 10 stocks that I want you to be looking at now. They're all working, and so I want you to do that. And then also, again, on the next step, if you want to go, jump on it sooner rather than later, because later may come sooner than you think.